Algebra 2 Cram, New York State, Algebra 2 Regents, Common Core, Polynomials, Question 7, Factor, GCF, and Guess and Check method. Inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com to order your complete Cram sessions. Question 7, Polynomials. Factor completely. 2x raised to 2 plus 12x minus 54. Definitely press pause if you need to, and I'll give you a moment to think. A quick visual inspection of this trinomial reveals that there's a common factor of 2. So the GCF amongst each monomial term in this trinomial is going to be 2. And just in case you're wondering, like, what are you talking about? If you were to factor each term out, that is, resolve each component into the factors that you need to multiply to get each individual result, you get something like this. 2 times x, 2 times 2 times 3 times x, and this, I don't know, 2 times something times 27. And 27, you can factor that out into 3 to the third. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so yeah, the prime factorization is going to yield something that looks like the expansion that I just mentioned. I'm not going to depict the expansion, the prime factorization expansion of each monomial in this trinomial, but I think by now you get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so as I was saying before, we're going to extract a GCF of 2 because it's the greatest factor that's common to each monomial in the trinomial. And here you end up with 2 times x raised to 2 plus 6x minus 27. Now, for the remaining factoring process, you can simply use the guess and check method. And in order to do that, we're going to open up 2 sets of parentheses, carry down the 2. And the reason why we're opening up 2 sets of parentheses is because the greatest exponent is 2. So obviously, more likely than not, we had to multiply 2 factors to arrive at x squared. Hence, we know that we have an x in one set of parentheses and an x in the second. Okay. Next, for our guessing portion of the guess and check method. So we need 2 factors of 27. Okay, that when you multiply them, they also add up to 6. And the numbers that immediately come to mind are 9 and 3. And 9 is going to be assigned the positive sign or the plus sign, while 3 is assigned the negative or minus sign. Because these two numbers, you can multiply them. They're the factors that yield 27, and you can summate them to yield the coefficient in the middle, or the b term of a quadratic equation in standard form, and they do sum up to 6. Okay, so this is our final answer. So thanks for tuning in. Good luck studying and lots of love, okay? All right.